Welcome to today's review of the Amazon Smart Thermostat, a sleek, affordable upgrade to save both money and energy. If you're thinking about replacing your old thermostat, this one might be the perfect option. With Energy Star certification, it's designed to help reduce energy usage, potentially saving you around $50 a year on your energy bill. Plus, it works seamlessly with Alexa, making it easy to control temperatures with just your voice or through the Alexa app on the go. Ideal for modern homes looking to be smarter and more eco-friendly. One of the standout features is its support for temperature sensors using compatible Echo devices. If you have hot or cold spots in your home, this feature will help balance the temperature for a more comfortable environment. Compared to other smart thermostats on the market, the Amazon Smart Thermostat is incredibly user-friendly, especially during installation. Just follow the steps on the Alexa app, and you're set. Plus, it uses Honeywell home thermostat technology, backed by 130 years of reliability. While it's a fantastic value, there are some things to consider. The C-wire requirement can be a downside if your home doesn't already have one, but customer service can guide you through that. Also, some users mention that the thermostat doesn't have a display on the unit, relying entirely on Alexa or your phone for control. If you're ready to make your home smarter and more energy efficient, the Amazon Smart Thermostat is a great choice. Discover more features by clicking the link in the description. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment if this video helped, and check out the affiliate link for reviews and fast delivery.